Once we're facing the audience, we have a very cool part of our routine. Lady is going to rotate twice. Man is leading with the left hand up above the lady's head. Let go with your right hand. Continue leading the second rotation like this, and then place the lady's hand behind your neck. Your right hand ends up on the lady's shoulder blade. We have now stopped to show you this, but while dancing, we want to continue walking around each other while leading the lady's rotation. Let's now focus on the lady's part more. You will rotate clockwise and try staying in one place, taking really small steps, starting with the right leg. Right, left, left, up to the point when the man places your hand behind his neck. And then continue walking with small steps backward around each other. You can use your right hand, leading it to the right side like you're showing the man. There you go. There is a place for you to walk around. Remember about taking small steps, mainly man is walking around you. And one last thing for the man, notice that while leading the lady, you want to continue walking around her with your legs. Keep taking the steps, make sure that you place the lady's hand behind your back, but do not stop for a while. Continue walking for 1.5 rotation, up to the point when you're facing the audience again.